Now, we're going to talk about operators and expressions. Operators allow us to perform various operations on data, while expressions combine values and operators to produce new values. Now, before we dive into coding, let's understand what operators are and why they're important. In programming, operators are symbols that perform operations on one or more operands, values, or variables. They allow us to manipulate and perform computations on data in our programs. Python provides a wide range of operators, including arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, and more. Let's start by exploring some arithmetic operators, which allow us to perform mathematical calculations. In this code snippet, we declare two variables, x and y, and assign them to values. We then use arithmetic operators to perform various calculations. The plus operator performs addition. The minus operator performs subtraction. The asterisk operator performs multiplication. And the slash operator performs division. The percent operator calculates the remainder. The double asterisk raises x to the power of y. The double slash operator performs floor division, returning the quotient as an integer. Next, let's explore assignment operators, which allow us to assign values to variables. In this code snippet, we use an assignment operator to update the value of the variable x. The plus equals operator adds the value of y to x and assigns the result x. It assigns the result to x. So x would equal x plus y. The minus equals operator subtracts the value from y from x and assigns the result to x. The times equals operator, or the asterisk equals operator, multiplies x by y and assigns the result to x. The slash equals operator divides x by y and assigns the result to x. The percent equal operator calculates the remainder of x divided by y and assigns the result to x. And so on. The double slash equals operator performs floor division and assigns the result to x. And the double asterisk operator raises x to the power of y and assigns the result to x. Now let's explore comparison operators, which allow us to compare values and determine their relationship. In this code snippet, we use comparison operators to compare the values of x and y. The greater than operator checks if x is greater than y. The less than operator checks if x is less than y. The double equals operator checks if x is equal to y. The exclamation point equal operator checks if x is not equal to y. The greater than equal operator checks if x is greater than or equal to y, and the less than or equal to operator checks if x is less than or equal to y. And finally, let's explore logical operators, which allow us to combine multiple conditions and perform logical operations. In this code snippet, we use logical operators to perform logical operations on Boolean values. The AND operator returns true if both x and y are true. The OR operator returns true if either x or y, or both, is true. And the NOT operator returns the inverse of x or y. And that concludes our tutorial on operators and expressions in Python. We covered arithmetic, assignment, comparison, and logical operators step by step, explaining the logic and code behind them. With this knowledge, you can now effectively perform calculations, comparisons, and logical operations in your Python programs.